Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make your lace closure look like a lace frontal. So today I'm going to be using one of my wigs. As you can see, I applied me a brown stocking cap. And I know y'all done seen this everywhere on Instagram. So the spray that I'm using is Freeze Blast Spray. And I'm just going to spray it. Basically, I'm just outlining my hairline. And I'm just going to let it dry by using my blow dryer. And then once it's dry, I'm just going to begin to cut it off. And you can see where it's already dried. What you're going to do is I just cut to around my ears. I don't cut the back off. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I don't. So, yeah. So as you can see, this cap is not my skin complexion. So I'm just going to add some foundation just to make it blend with my complexion a little bit more. I really need some powdered foundation. I was using liquid foundation. I gotta find some powdered foundation for this. So this is how it looks once you already got your base done, your cap on, and your foundation set. So what I'm doing now is just plucking the hairline. Now this is like a easier, but you gotta be more careful way because I'm not parting it. I'm just literally pulling hair out. And see, I just showed you where my closure, how far my closure goes. And what style I'm going to do today is like, I guess a top ponytail, like a top bun or something. So after I got my hairline plucked, I'm just going to start to part off my square section for my top bun. Now, when you're parting your closure, you want to make sure that you leave enough hair out to cover your tracks because you don't want your tracks showing. So once I have it sectioned off, this is how it looks. And I'm just going to use my Freeze Blast Spray. I'm just going to apply it to the edge of where my lace closure is. This is the only thing I'm going to use to keep my lace closure down. And I'm just going to add these little neck strips. I'm just going to tie them tightly around my head. Well, not tightly, but just, tight enough so that the lace will melt into my skin so that it'll look like one. So while that's it, I'm just gonna throw on my makeup real quick and then throw some curls in the hair. Okay, so now we're back to the hair. And I'm just gonna use my Remington wand curler. It's on 410. And so that's what I'm using to curl this hair. As you can see, I'm just pulling out random sections and curling them. Also, this is the hair that I got from Wish. The hair, I think I did a video on how I did this hair red, and I will list that video below so that you guys can see it. So once I'm done, I'm just going to kind of pull the strip off or cut it off or whatever. And this is how it's looking. See, it's already looking natural. Now, what I'm just going to do is kind of, since the closure is like I think a 10 inch, I'm just going to try to make it like a big bun or like a big messy bun. I must say I'm very surprised at how this closure turned out. Now let me tell y'all, I really plucked this closure for like an hour or two. So definitely take your time, and it's gonna take time. But yeah, so I just combed the curls out, and this is how it looks, y'all. It looks super natural. I love it. This is how it looks without baby hair. I don't know if I like it with or without baby hair more, but I'm leaning more toward the without baby hair because this is with baby hair. And as you can see, the wig is secure. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.